Got a little thing I want to try here. Oh, it's fucking cold. My God. It's like negative 10 degrees here right now. Fucking freezing. So we're gonna see if we can get the truck started. Let's take a little quick see here. I did run this yesterday, but it's been sitting for a little over 11-12 hours in negative 10 degree weather. So let's it's fucking cold out, man. Fuck me, it's cold. All right, let's see if she'll start. Hopefully she does. Come on, baby. Oh, she did. Nice. We have like no fucking air pressure though. Oh shit. She's cold. Alright, guys. I know it's, kind of whatever, but just thought I'd put this up because it's fun, Stay warm, y'all.